Don't let woodworking intimidate you. The HM126. Portable sawmill isn't just a tool, it's a passport to a world of woodworking wonders. Imagine transforming rough logs into flawless planks for your dream deck, or sturdy beams for that backyard cabin you've always wanted. With the HM126, your lumber dreams take shape. Witness the life cycle of a Douglas fir forest in action. This video takes you to Cheshire, Oregon, where a 38-year-old forest, planted in 1984, is now undergoing its first harvest. It's a fascinating look at how these magnificent trees are transformed into lumber, chips, and pulp, each destined for different industries. Truly a testament to sustainable forestry practices. We've got a hollow tree on our hands, folks. That means we need to proceed with extreme caution. There are a lot of unknowns here, so let's make sure we have a solid plan and all the right tools before we make the first cut. This video demonstrates a controlled burn technique for stump removal. By creating an internal combustion chamber and managing airflow, the stump is essentially consumed from within. This method offers a time-efficient and labor-saving alternative to traditional excavation, particularly for large or deeply rooted stumps. It's crucial to note that safety precautions and local regulations must be adhered to when employing this approach. The Vekava Kantopilkari is a game-changer for anyone who's ever struggled with removing stumps. This Finnish-engineered machine makes quick work of even the toughest stumps, extracting and splitting them with ease. Its durable construction and efficient design will save you time and effort on any land-clearing project. Maintaining vigilance in the workplace is crucial for ensuring the safety of oneself and others. This harvester operator momentarily forgot that, but fortunately, fate intervened. A heart-stopping incident that serves as a potent reminder.
Oh boy, I just a wind caught it.
Maine winters get super cold, so folks there have this cool tradition of getting ready for it by chopping wood in the fall. They go into the woods, cut down trees, and bring the wood back home. Imagine the sound of the saw and the smell of pine trees. It makes you think of cozy nights by the fireplace, right? Are you ready for some serious horsepower? Koga and Vincent Couture are about to show us what these trucks are truly capable of. Who do you think will come out on top? Wow, check this out. This guy built his own sawmill from scratch. It looks so simple, just a bed frame, an engine, and a saw blade. But it works like a charm. I can't believe how smoothly it cuts through those logs. The only area for potential improvement is the log loading process. A hydraulic or powered system could streamline that, taking this build to the next level. The Ponce Ergo is a solid machine. It's got the power and the durability you need to get the job done, day in and day out. The harvester head is particularly impressive. It can handle even the biggest trees with ease. The controls are intuitive and responsive, which makes a big difference when you're working long hours. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient machine that's worth considering if you're in the market for a new harvester. Felling of such a colossal tree necessitates a high degree of expertise and meticulous calculation. From the ascent to the pruning and the clearing, each phase is laden with potential hazards. Finally, the giant was conquered. The Jobo WP50. Woodpecker is a revelation for small-scale forestry operations. It's a versatile powerhouse that handles both delimbing and firewood production with ease. Plus, its low oil consumption makes it a perfect match for older tractors, giving them a new lease on life. Efficiency, versatility, and sustainability. The Jobo WP50 Woodpecker has it all. Whoa, watching this Bandit SG75 work is like watching a pro in action. Stumps are disappearing left and right. It's crazy satisfying. This is the ultimate stress relief video, am I right? If the forest were a chessboard, the Ecolog 590E would be your queen, making strategic moves with unmatched versatility. The Logmax 7000? That's your rook, a formidable force clearing the path to victory. Together, they form an unstoppable checkmate, ensuring your timber operation reigns supreme. Game, set, match. To you and your thriving forestry business. If the timber world had a hall of fame, brick sawmills would be front and center. These workhorses have been around for over 150 years, proving their worth in workshops and lumber yards everywhere. Power, precision, and versatility. That's what saws bring. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think. This is why you don't cut timber on a windy day. A close call. These drivers exhibit a remarkable level of skill and an iron will. It takes a special kind of courage to face such risks on a daily basis. Their dedication to this challenging profession deserves our respect. New Zealand alder, eh? Now that's a premium timber. I've been in this industry for ages, and these trees are some of the finest specimens I've come across. Crawler tractor skidding? It's a classic method, but it's undeniably effective. This crew clearly knows what they're doing, and they're doing it the right way. with respect for the trees and a focus on safety. It's a dying art, but it's heartening to see it alive and well here. Well, in the battle of the big saws, it's a close call. The 395 XP packs a bit more punch, but the MS661C is lighter and nimbler. For all-day felling, I'd lean towards the steel, but if you need raw power for milling, the Husky's your beast. And you, what do you think? You know, trees are a lot like old houses. They look solid on the outside, but you never know what's going on inside. Sometimes, the heartwood's rotted out, and the whole thing's just waiting for a strong wind to knock it down. That's where these people come in. They make sure those old trees come down safe and sound before they cause any trouble. The John Deere 1710D, a marvel of engineering, is in capable hands here. Observe the operator's precision. No wasted movement, no jerky maneuvers. The machine and logs flow seamlessly, a testament to experience and skill. This is efficiency in action, maximizing productivity while minimizing environmental impact. And that distinctive JD diesel rumble, the soundtrack of a job well done. Can we talk about how awesome that operator was? Seriously, nerves of steel. And that skidder? Beast mode. It's like, give a skilled person the right tools, and they can conquer anything. Whoa, check out those massive logs being transported. They've got to weigh almost 100 tons, right? Even the strongest trucks can't handle those steep hills alone. Tractors to the rescue. Isn't this intense to watch? Holy cow, that was a close call. A leaning tree like that is a major hazard. It's essential to evaluate the risks before trying to take it down, and always use the right methods and tools. This could have ended much worse. Witness the artistry of Japanese woodworking as a sawmill transforms a colossal 300-year-old elm log into flawless planks. The sawyer's expertise is evident, but the saw doctor's meticulous blade preparation ensures precision cuts, reflecting Japan's pursuit of perfection. The resulting planks are a testament to this dedication, their beauty surpassing all expectations. Oh my gosh, that's terrifying. Hauling timber is seriously tough and risky business. Komatsu's 951XC and C164 are changing the forestry game. The 951XC handles rough terrain with ease, while the C164's precise cutting is next level. Together, they're making logging more efficient and sustainable. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. Cutting a large tree is like defusing a bomb. One wrong move and there's a blast zone. When a large tree falls, the root ball can act like a loaded spring. Never let anyone stand behind it. A sudden release of tension can send that root ball flying with the force of a wrecking ball. Remember, safety first. A moment of carelessness can lead to a lifetime of regret. Just a simple pulley system, and a car yanked that stump out like it was nothing. That's the power of physics. Oh my gosh, saw's jammed. Pros know to drop it like it's hot and get out of there. Safety first, right? Better to be safe than sorry. Check out this beastly wood harvester, the HE 93.1 Koenig Tiger. It cuts down the thickest trees with precision, using a second set of arms to gently lay them down without damaging the surrounding area. The driver's seat adjusts for comfort, and the machine stays level on hills. It's like a giant, careful lumberjack on tracks, proving that harvesting wood can be done sustainably. I bet this is a first for you all. This Caterpillar 309CR is sporting a saw and a grapple. It can reach up high to trim branches and then scoop up all the mess. Pretty clever, huh? What do you think? The Valtra A124 forestry tractor may look like a cuddly teddy bear, but don't be fooled. This compact machine packs a serious punch. With its fully loaded Palms trailer and crane 7.86, the A124 is like a tireless workhorse, effortlessly hauling timber through even the most demanding landscapes. It's a testament to the fact that size isn't everything in the forestry world. Cutting trees is like a chess match against nature, where you need to anticipate the tree's next move. Tangled branches and wedged trees are like tricky puzzles, requiring careful planning and precise cuts to bring them down safely. And remember, sometimes the smartest move is knowing when to step back and call in reinforcements. Oh, this Belarus EMS 1025 is a real champ. It tackles those tough logging jobs with a smile. Heavy loads, muddy trails, no problem. This tractor's got it all under control. It's like a trusty sidekick, always ready for an adventure. Whoa, hold the phone. This is mind-blowing. That trucker's pulling off some Superman-level stunts? How in the world is he doing that? I'm on the edge of my seat here. The truck seemed to glide over the terrain with perfect control, navigating the landscape as if it was part of the natural flow. Looking for a chipper that really gets the job done? The CBI ChipMax 484 is exactly what you need. It chips wood up to 50% faster than others, and it's perfect for making fuel chips or even microchips from big logs up to 24 inches wide. The best part? You can customize it to fit your needs. If you want something reliable and easy to use, this is it. Well, working with large trees always involves some risks. In this case, the chainsaw got stuck and the engine almost broke down. This emphasizes the importance of being careful and using the right equipment. Can you even picture yourself behind the wheel of a truck loaded with timber, climbing a steep hill? It's like a level out of a video game, but with way higher stakes. These drivers are total pros, taking on wild challenges and making it look easy. What do you think? Masterful skills at work. Who says machines lack soul? In the hands of a skilled operator, a forwarder seems almost alive, battling through mud with resilience and precision. It's a sight to behold. The combination of the John Deere 1270G and the H415 harvester head creates a powerhouse in forestry harvesting. With its robust engine and intelligent control systems, the 1270G excels in optimizing performance across various forest conditions. Paired with the H415's multi-tree feed rollers and single-speed motor, this setup ensures top efficiency and durability, even in the toughest environments. The 1270G costs around $500,000, and the H415 comes in at approximately $70,000. The Croco log splitter is a beast. It's built for tough jobs, and boy does it deliver. This one stands out for its sheer power and efficiency. Whether you are preparing firewood or working on a larger project, the Croco doesn't disappoint. It's like watching a croc chomp down on wood. Powerful, smooth, and quick. You'll appreciate how much time and effort this thing saves. Adventure with a small buddy? Why not? In the heart of a busy sawmill, the Wirex CZP3 vertical bandsaw stands as the ultimate symbol of precision and efficiency. With its innovative design and powerful blades, this machine effortlessly converts rough logs into perfectly dimensioned lumber. Equipped with optional features like the chain conveyor and wide clamps, it offers versatility for handling both small and large diameters. Whether cutting on two saws for smaller logs or utilizing all three for larger ones, the CZP3 adapts seamlessly, making it an ideal choice for facilities that don't sort raw materials. The LogMax 10000 XT is a top-notch harvester head, excelling in precision, power, and durability. Its integrated top saw boosts productivity, making it perfect for both harvesting and processing large logs. 5 movable knives and 2 hydraulic feed rollers ensure efficient delimbing and wood feeding. For tough logging jobs, the 10000 XT is a reliable choice. Can you even imagine? Hanging hundreds of feet up, chainsaw buzzing, adrenaline pumping, and then the tree starts to fall, and it's like the whole world is tilting. I'd be freaking out, but these guys, they're total pros. Respect. I've spent decades in this industry, and the TWF 180 is the most formidable mulcher I've ever encountered. It's engineered like a fortress, operates flawlessly, and yields results that leave clients beaming. Sure, at $36,000, it's an investment, but considering the time and labor it conserves, it's a strategic decision. Witness it conquer that stubborn stump, and you'll grasp its true value. There's a certain beauty in watching raw logs being processed into lumber. The scale and efficiency of these operations are a testament to years of refinement in the industry. It's a reminder of how far we've come in terms of technology and resource management. Gisborne, strategically located on New Zealand's North Island, presents an ideal opportunity for afforestation initiatives. Its favorable climate fosters rapid tree growth, while its moderately sloped terrain facilitates efficient planting and harvesting operations. The region's well-established forestry infrastructure and proximity to a world-class port further enhance its suitability for timber export. Ever dreamed of turning logs into firewood with the flick of a switch? The Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processor is here to make your dreams a reality. This 125 horsepower electric beast effortlessly slices through logs, leaving you with perfectly sized firewood in no time. Anyone in forestry knows, speed isn't the only factor. The AWI RT 800 Raptor's strength lies in its sustainable approach. Mulching those stumps back into the earth? That's how you build a healthy forest for generations to come. There's a saying, do not cut the branch you're sitting on. I think it applies to sitting on a tree trunk too. Luckily, this guy is okay. The Cat 323 is more than just a machine. It's a powerhouse that delivers the performance of a seasoned veteran. With its robust digging arm and 172 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine, it effortlessly conquers even the toughest excavation tasks, tearing through stubborn roots and stumps like they're nothing. This excavator is built to last, ensuring optimal productivity and minimal downtime on any job site. There's an old saying, do not cut the branch you're sitting on. It's a metaphor for self-sabotage, and it seems like this guy learned the hard way. Jump! Shit. Good. You alright? Yeah. You clear? Yeah, good. If you need a tractor that stood the test of time, the Deutz-Fahr D800 is it. Since 1967, it's been a go-to for tough tasks, with forward speeds of 20 kilometers per hour and a reverse speed of 6 kilometers per hour, making it great for jobs like pulling stumps. The mechanical drum brakes ensure you've got control, even in challenging conditions. This machine is a testament to Deutz Cantabrica's long-standing dedication to quality. Nothing stops the Bieszczady 2009. The precision driving through thick mud showcases the perfect synergy between technical skill and raw machine power. It's a true testament to engineering and driving expertise. Wow, look at the incredible beauty inside that huge log. Every cut is like nature's brushstroke, showing off how perfect it is. I bet those wood pieces are worth a fortune. And who wouldn't want something made from such beautiful wood? Check out the ALKOLHS 6000. This vertical log splitter is a game changer. It can handle logs up to 1,050 centimeters, even those tough hardwoods. With just one action, it splits the logs into 4 pieces. It's super stable and safe thanks to its wide base. Plus, you can easily move it around because of the built-in wheels. And the best part? You can use it indoors without any emissions. Get ready for something cool. The Cambio 800 is like a supercharged blender, but for logs. It speeds through at 120 meters per minute and handles logs up to 795 millimeters wide. Pretty impressive, right? The carbide tools just cut through bark like it's nothing, and that 75 kilowatt motor keeps it all running perfectly. If you love woodworking, you've got to see this thing in action. An extremely dangerous situation occurred. Before the wedge could be inserted into the trunk to control the direction of the fall, the tree split vertically and fell. The chill hole was ineffective, resulting in a serious felling failure. Fortunately, there were no accidents. Think a downed tree is no big deal? Think again. It's a hidden hazard waiting to trip you up. Have you seen the TT4 in action? It's a beast. Snow? No problem. Heavy loads? Easy peasy. This machine is unstoppable. What do you think? Alright folks, today we've got a real challenge on our hands. A bur oak that's seen a few centuries, I reckon. No excavator? No worries. We'll use good old-fashioned know-how and some elbow grease. Let's show this old-timer we've still got the skills. This Trembesi tree is massive. Felling it would be a significant undertaking. The crew wisely chose not to trim it first due to the high voltage power lines nearby. With the steel MS-881, they made impressive work of it. $106,000 might seem steep, but for the Menzi Muck M545, it's an investment, not an expense. This isn't just an excavator, it's an all-terrain conqueror. 45-degree climbs? Child's play? Unstable ground? No problem. The video showcases its uncanny balance, and with the tree-cutting grapple attached, it's like a spider stalking its prey. For those tackling challenging landscapes, the M545 isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Timber transport is a demanding and hazardous undertaking where risks are inherent and unavoidable. The smell of fresh pine, the familiar sound of the sawmill, the beautiful grain of the ponderosa tree. These are the things I love about this job. This tree was damaged by the storm, but they'll turn it into high-quality lumber that can be passed down for generations. That's how they honor the tree and give it a new purpose. Steep inclines present a significant hazard for heavily laden logging vehicles. Navigating such terrain necessitates a highly skilled operator and the utilization of winching equipment to ensure a safe and successful transit.
De la carga era mejor, es un señor.
Ever seen a log turn into lumber? The R63-5B frame saw is your backstage pass. Picture this, a massive frame, blades lined up like teeth, slicing through wood like butter. It's a powerhouse, once the heart of any sawmill worth its salt. Sure, it's old school now, but trust me, watching it in action, pure magic. I must confess, I'm a bit of a John Deere enthusiast. The sheer power and precision of these machines never ceases to amaze me. From the rumble of the engine to the rhythmic clack of the harvester head, every aspect of their operation is a symphony of efficiency. I could watch them work for hours on end. Any fellow fans out there? Let me know in the comments. Ever tried wrestling a giant log with a handsaw? Not fun, right? Well, the CTR750GX Mobile is here to save the day. It's like a lumberjack on steroids, slicing through 75-centimeter logs like butter. It's so precise, you'll think it has laser vision. And with its powerful petrol engine, it's always ready for action, no matter how remote your workshop. Okay, $17,000 might sound like a lot, but it's cheaper than therapy after a log wrestling mishap. So ditch the chainsaw and embrace the future of woodworking. Your back will thank you. Got stump issues? Say goodbye to them with the Woodland Mills WG24PTO stump grinder. With its 24-inch grinding wheel and 34 tungsten carbide teeth, it grinds stumps up to 6 inches deep, making it ideal for landscaping, farming, or even construction projects. Plus, the quick hitch design and slip clutch PTO shaft make setup a breeze, especially for tractors ranging from 15 to 45 horsepower. If you're looking for efficiency and precision, this grinder delivers. Here we are, a skilled lumberjack, a steel chainsaw, and a massive cedar tree. The recipe for excitement. The crisp sound of the saw, the cracking of wood, and the moment the giant falls. Amazing. Introducing the Scania R770V8. A truck that redefines the limits of size and efficiency. Stretching an impressive 34 meters, this vehicle is longer than a blue whale and boasts a gross weight of 98 tons. Designed specifically for the wood chip transport industry, it reduces transport frequency by 30%, providing a significant boost to the Södertälje power plant's operations. Whoa, check out this beast of a machine. This German-made Welte 130K skidder is a total game changer for logging. It's got a crazy powerful engine and a massive crane that can lift huge logs like it's nothing. The video shows it tackling some seriously tough terrain too. Sure, it's pricey at $126,000, but imagine how much time and effort it would save in the long run. Wow, this machine is blowing my mind. It's so fast and precise, I can't believe it's real. The way the blades move is mesmerizing. I'm so impressed. On slopes like these, felling a centuries-old cedar isn't just logging, it's a high-stakes ballet. Every cut, every wedge, every rope placement is choreographed with precision. One misstep, and the mountainside becomes a stage for tragedy. These aren't just loggers, they're virtuosos of risk and responsibility. Isn't it thrilling to conquer a giant tree on your own? But remember, safety always comes first. No matter how exciting the moment, you need to prioritize your well-being over a fleeting thrill. Stay smart, stay safe.
Oh yeah!
This is what people do for fun, yeah.
Even seasoned tree felling experts know, one careless moment can lead to devastating consequences, both physically and financially. This sawmill is like a magician, pulling perfect planks out of massive logs while leaving barely a whisper of sawdust behind. It's the lumberjack's dream, the environmentalist's delight, and the accountant's best friend. So, if you're ready to turn your timber operation into a profit-making machine, the WB2000 is your golden ticket. Oh my goodness, I am so geeked out right now. That stump removal was epic. The sound, the sight. It was all just so mesmerizing. Whoa, that's one heck of a way to deal with those stumps. But seriously, standing that close to the chain? That's a recipe for disaster. It could snap and whip you good any second. While maximizing payload per trip might seem efficient, the hidden costs of overburdening skidders can outweigh the benefits. Increased fuel consumption, wear and tear, and potential safety hazards all contribute to decreased productivity and profitability. Being stuck, whether it's in mud or in life, is undeniably unsettling. Whoa, that was a close one. Well, I guess the tree had the final say in this matter, no matter how much we planned it out. With the capacity to slice through massive 70-centimeter diameter logs, the LT-15 is like a gentle giant, turning challenges into flawless lumber. It's a testament to how technology can elevate the artistry of woodworking. That's the magic of the Wood-Mizer LT-15. Sure, the old-timers will spin a yarn about white-knuckle drives through mountain passes, but ask them what they really miss, and it's the simple stuff. The rumble of a cab over, the smell of diesel and pine needles on a hot summer day, watching the windrows turn in the fields. Those are the memories that stick with them, long after they are hung up your keys. The RSL UK 16-inch Mark II. Tree shear is a game-changer in forestry equipment. Its powerful grip and precise cutting action offer unparalleled control, even when dealing with the toughest hardwoods. With full 360-degree rotation and the ability to operate at lower pressures, this shear maximizes efficiency without sacrificing power. Built to last with high-quality components, it's an investment that will pay off for years to come. This video underscores the vital importance of proper safety equipment and vigilance when felling trees. The consequences could have been unthinkable without that helmet.
The Big Green Tree Machine is a versatile piece of machinery that's designed for tree removal and land clearing. With its powerful jaw, the machine can grip and cut through trees up to 20 meters tall in just a matter of minutes, making it a valuable tool for both commercial and residential use. This is what the ideal primary ripper should look like, designed to help farmers remediate difficult soils characterized by stratification, extremely hard soil, rocks, or stumps. The Roxgon H4 hydraulic refiner was developed in Western Australia specifically to help alleviate all of these soil depth limitations and increase crop and pasture productivity. The machine has a working width of 3 meters and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. Some of the rocks it crushes can have a hardness of about 70 megapascals, which is much denser than good concrete. In most agricultural situations, 3 to 5 passes are required. The multi-mobile vacuum slab laying machine from Probst is designed for easy and precise laying of products weighing up to 200 kilograms. It's used for concrete slabs, large-size paving slabs, natural stone, gutters, and much more. The work is carried out by a special vacuum hose, which produces a gentle lifting and laying of the material. Among the advantages is the precise installation of the tiles, thanks to a movable beam on which the hose is attached. In addition, previously laid slabs can be easily removed when needed. The machine has an electric drive or drive from a gasoline engine at the choice of the user, and its capacity is 300 square meters per day. Meet the walking excavator from Siku. You might be amazed by the size of this machine, but believe me, there's nothing particularly surprising here. Thanks to its compact dimensions, the excavator excels in its job on extreme construction sites. So this excavator is truly the best choice for earthworks on steep slopes, in mountains, and on impassable surfaces.
Behold a spectacle of sheer grit. A Valtra forestry tractor, purpose-built for this unforgiving terrain, dances along a treacherous slope. Mud flies, tires grip like a mountain lion's claws, and the engine roars defiance at gravity itself. This isn't mere timber extraction. It's a symphony of power, resilience, and pushing boundaries. Valtra, the unsung hero of the forest, proves that no challenge is too steep. Felling a leaning tree is definitely intimidating. It's like trying to tame a wild beast. It demands meticulous planning and a deep understanding of tree mechanics to avoid the dreaded barber chair phenomenon. This occurs when the tree splits along its length during the fall, creating a hazardous situation. Mastering the correct cutting techniques allows us to guide the tree's descent with precision, ensuring the safety of both the operator and the valuable timber. You like simple but insanely powerful things. Feast your eyes on this. With a high mechanical advantage rigging system and a small 18 horsepower tractor, the magic of stump removal is complete. Picture this. You're at the helm of a mechanical behemoth, a fusion of raw power and unstoppable force. That's the Timber Pro TL745D, paired with the Monster Quadco 27SC. Like a fire-breathing dragon, it tears through towering trees with awe-inspiring speed and strength. You can practically feel the earth tremble beneath its might. It's a symphony of steel and hydraulics, a testament to human ingenuity. Are you ready to tame the wilderness with this titan of the timberlands?